What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Here I'm doing a slick back with a mid bald fade. Sorry I haven't been releasing so much content. It's been really busy at work. It's picking up and I just haven't had the time to pull out the camera and set it up. But here's a video of me doing a slick back like I said. It's not really a slick back like with long hair. It's more like short hair. Like he doesn't really like it too long, but it is slicked back. So here I'm doing it. I'm going with my cordless Andis tail liners, balding it out, creating your first initial guideline. See how I kind of drop it in the back a little bit. So it's not really a drop fade or anything, but it's it's still a mid bald fade, but I just drop it a little lower than usual. And here I'm just going with the shaver. I'm doing half of the head. This is I think I was doing this on a Saturday. No. It was on a Friday, and it was in the beginning of the day, maybe around 10. So I literally had 30 to 45 minutes to do this, pull out the camera and everything. Shout out to my boy. This is my boy Wayne for letting me do it. I literally texted him 10 minutes before his haircut. Yo, I'm gonna use you for a video, cause I've been kind of slacking. But yeah, see, so the transition right here, you see me pull out my slim lines because there's a little transition that I need to take out from bald to outliner. So here I'm using the cordless magic clip wall, and if you guys are wondering what guards I'm using on here, these are the single magnetic and this purple guards. So you can use them on there, but you kind of have to bend them like to match the magic clip blade, if that makes any sense, because it's kind of like, how do you say it, I like using the Andis guards because you skip the whole 1.5 clip or 1.5 guard step. So I'm just blending downwards here. This is like my usual technique now. So I started off with the one open, closed it lower I went, and then I went with a half guard open and half guard closed, and I'm just buffing out the last bottom line with no guard, flicking it out, going section by section. You see how I use the corners? This is a half guard that I have in my hand right here. And I took it off, just blending it out. So I'm going section by section. I'm not really like doing the whole side at one time, because to me that there's more attention to detail in that sense. See how there's like that little line right there, and I'm gonna start to remove it soon. But yeah, we're almost at 500 subs. For those that are new to my channel, my goal is to get it by May 1st because that's my birthday, and 500 subs would be a really nice goal. So you see here, I'm just buffing that line out. It's pretty much gone at this point. Just minor touch up on the top. I'm going with one open, and I'm just repeating the same steps on the other side. So I actually wanted to talk to you guys about this haircut. So when you do a slick back and stuff, you kind of have to read the client's cowlick and in which direction it goes, because not everyone can do a slick back. There's so many people that come into the shop and they're like Asian, or typically Asians, and they show me this picture of a white dude with a slick back or a European guy with a slick back, but you have to learn to tell them that they can't do it. Like, I'm sorry bro, but your hair just cannot do it. Some Asians can, but most can't, because their hair lies forward, and that's the direction of the way their hair is, and it's hard to force it or train it because it's always gonna go back. You're gonna have to blow dry that thing every single day. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that, because I used to just do the haircut and then not be able to style it, but now I've learned to like just tell them, look, you can't do it. You have to do it this way, or you have to get a comb over or something, because the slick back won't work. But here, doing the same steps, going with the half guard. I sped it up a little bit more on this area just because I'm doing the same steps over and over again. Moving on to the side. Now the back. You see how I'm leaving the top a little longer? Don't worry about that because we're going to go in with the thinning shears and the clip over comb. Yeah, also why I haven't been really all on YouTube lately is I've been playing a lot of Fortnite. I'm kind of getting addicted to it. So if you guys play PS4 and you guys follow me on here, then my PSN is John. It's the same thing as my Instagram, but there's 94 at the end. The number is 94. So if you guys want to get down on that, just add me. We can get down. I'm not that good, but I'm getting better slowly. I'm just doing a light trim on him. He comes like every 3 weeks, so I like to keep it a little long. Like I said, this is a slick back, or something like a slick back. And if you guys notice, I did get my hands tattooed. That vlog is coming out soon. I just have to edit it. So just cross-checking, going all the way around. And these are my thinning shears I'm using. These are just standard thinning shears, nothing too special. I have to invest in some though, for sure. And now just going clip over comb. Remember to go at a 90-degree angle, or even more than 90, like point it outwards if you're not that comfortable. I usually go with it closed or sometimes open, depending on how comfortable I am or if I know how much I want to take off. See, I'm just lightly like trimming the dark areas. And you should really invest in the carbon fiber flat tooth comb because these things do not break. I've been using this one for maybe 2 years and it's still strong. Sorry I wasn't showing this side. I was like I said, I was in a rush, so but you guys get what I was trying to do. I'm doing the same exact thing. And then these are my hitters right here. And I don't want them to be, but they are. Like I want my cordless outliner, T outliners to be my hitters, but my slim lines are my hitters. As you can see, there's gonna be a better angle of it. Like these are crazy. But I don't really line him up too straight on the top words, not top like right here, because he doesn't have like a solid hairline, so he just wants it cleaned up. But the size of his box is where I get down and make it really straight for him. I'm going with the straight razor. Remember to pull the skin away from the direction you're going towards. I'm just blow drying it. I used Layrite grooming spray before I started to blow dry. That and water, if you guys are wondering. I just didn't get it on camera because, like I said, I was in a rush. I think my client was already here waiting. Yeah, he was definitely on the side waiting. So here I'm using Layrite matte finish cream, and to me that's one of my favorite products just because it's easy to style and easy to rub off your hands after each client. And when you're styling, don't be afraid to like get it all in there. So I'm just slicking it all back. It's a clean haircut right there. Then finishing off with some elegant spray. So thank you guys for checking out the video. If you guys haven't subbed yet, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Snapchat. Everything's in the bio. And I'll be coming out with more videos. Just stay tuned. Thank y'all.